What's up guys, CC here and I'm back with another video for the channel. If it's your first time watching this channel, definitely consider subscribing and turning those notification bells on. Welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with CC. In today's episode, we'll be making some nice pumpkin punch drink. This would be my first time making this drink, and I think my first time having it. I don't remember having this while I was growing up in Jamaica. So I called my grandmother back in Jamaica and asked her for the ingredients and the directions. I even asked her if she knew about this pumpkin punch drink, and of course she was insulted that I even asked if she knew. But she did give me the ingredients, and these are the ingredients we'll be using for today's drinks. We have some Guinness, we have some Supligen. You could use the original flavor if you have access to it, and we have some Nutriment. You could use Ensure if you don't have access to this. And for spice, we have some cinnamon powder, vanilla extract, nutmeg, and we also have some canned milk, tin milk, sweet milk, condensed milk, whatever you know it as. So these are the ingredients. It should be good. I love pumpkin. I love everything else that will be going in. So let's hope for the best. But I will be using my Ninja blender for this video. The first step is to get your pumpkin, which is the star of the show. We're gonna clean the pumpkin, cut it up, and put it to boil. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and add our pumpkin to our boiling pot. We're just gonna let it boil until it's soft, and once it's soft, we're going to blend it in our blender. Okay guys, we're back. Once you're finished cooking your pumpkin, let it cool down, and then we're gonna add it directly to the blender. And we're gonna add just a bit of water. This is the water from the pumpkin. You don't need a lot. Okay guys, we didn't add a lot of water, so it's not liquid. It's not liquid format. So we're gonna add everything. Go ahead and add everything to your blender. If you could remove your blades. Add in half of this Nutriment. Half of the Ensure, and we're gonna put all of the Guinness, every last drop. I want to make sure we could taste the Guinness in it. So if you don't like Guinness, go ahead and use half. I don't like Guinness myself, but still, I'll drink it once it's mixed with something. And the sweet milk, we're gonna use half of this as well. Now we're going to mix everything up as much as you can. Now we're gonna we're gonna transfer this to our jug, and then we're going to add our spice: cinnamon, vanilla extract, and our nutmeg, Then go ahead and taste it. See if you need to put any more sweet milk. I'm gonna put a little bit more. That should be good. It actually tastes good, guys. Let me taste it again. Yes, it's perfect. So that is it, guys. All you need to do is blend your pumpkin once you boil it, once you cook it. Let it cool down, blend it, and just add everything. And these ingredients are not limited. You could add what you like, take out what you don't like, and just have fun with it. Thanks again for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Maybe you're inspired to try this recipe. If you do give this recipe a try and you'd like to share, go ahead and tag us on our Instagram page. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.